Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as you can tell from the dark interior, we're in 330XI this time. And I have a couple of packages that came in for this car, and we will apply this today. Basically, I have a AC motor that is currently giving rattling noises, so we will swap that over. And then I got the mirror, electronic mirror for the right hand side, because the current one is broken, it doesn't fold, and it doesn't even react to any movement from the control panel. What else? I did get this part because it's currently a bit hard to get your seatbelt fastened, so I got a cover, but I'm not sure if the cover can be changed alone, so we'll have to take out the seat and replace the whole part. As I mentioned, I have the AC motor that goes underneath the glove box, and we'll swap that one over, and we will swap over this mirror because it's currently not working. Another thing, since I'm in Europe and this dash came in from USA, obviously because this car is USA model, it does have these gauges in miles and gallons, and I need to swap that over to kilometers and liters per 100 kilometers. I bought a new dash and I'll just swap over the Zifferblatts. As you can see, this has a line that goes above the gauges, and the new one doesn't have that, so I hope it will fit, but we will see that. Here's the new dash. In the box we see the motor for AC and also the seat belt, and this here it's the mirror. I've decided to start from removing this dash and changing the Zifferblatts because it's the most delicate part, and I just want to make sure it's possible to do. If not, I will just order new parts and then continue with the rest of the fixes that needs to be done. So let's start by removing this one. To do that, we need this star tool. There's two screws, one here, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is the old dash. To remove the cover, we just need to pop this up and pull it out. I will use the screwdriver for that, and we should have access to these gauges. Okay, let's do the same process for the new one and try to swap these over. This is the old one. This is the new one, so hopefully the rings are at the same size. Okay, this one removed. Let's see if the new one will fit in. Okay, so I reset them to their starting points, and as you can see, we need to move this one over so it would be at 0. The RPM part is done. Time to swap over the mileage. Okay, and to reset it, you just need to plug it in. Then those small sticks reset to their default position, and then you can apply these on top. So let's do that. Okay, as you can see, I plugged it in. Everything is in place, so we can start assembling everything back together. Let's put it back in and test drive it if everything is working and if it's showing the right parameters. Okay, first start with the new gauge. Seems to be working fine. Petrol level was the same. Seems to be showing the RPMs fine. Cool. Just need to test out if the fuel consumption is showing the right thing, so I'll go for a quick drive and we'll see what happens. Well, everything is working fine with the dash, but as you can see, the fuel consumption isn't too good on this car. Obviously, since it's a 3-liter petrol, it's eating petrol like crazy. Yeah, it just resets every time you turn off the dash, so it's just statistics for my current 1-minute drive, but it's crazy. Okay, the second part I wanted to show you is the rattling noise. If I turn on the AC, that's the sound that we get. And and that's even on minimum. Let's increase it. Yeah, so I have a new part. Oh wait. So I do have a new part. Let me uninstall that one and install the new one, and it should be fixed.
Gibst du, du bist doch so.
Old part, new part. Okay, so AC fan that sits underneath the glove box is changed now, and time to check if it solved the problem. Oh no. Nice. No more rattling noise. Okay, so it wasn't worthless. It worked. One problem solved. Now I'll try and do the mirror. What I noticed is that I ordered a LCI model mirror, and currently I have pre-LCI, so I'm hoping I will remove the trim from the door. Remove that piece, and maybe it's just the plug that's broken or unplugged from the mirror and that's causing it from not working. Really hoping for that, because if not I will have to order another mirror, and the color is a bit different, so I'll have to find the mirror caps, and that's some extra money that I don't want to spend. So let's try and do the cheap fix. Okay, so I have this door panel removed, and luckily for me, as you can see, there is no wire plugged into the mirror, and it's right here. So I'll try to plug it in and see if it works. No, it's still not working. Okay, conclusion is that I didn't manage to fix that mirror because cables are cut, and it's not a mirror issue, it's an cables issue. So I'll have to Google it and find which wires are missing and from where they should come from, and then I will be able to fix that one. And the last thing, we have this, and to replace it, it's a small piece, but to replace it you need to unbolt the whole seating and lift it on the side, unscrew one bolt that is holding this part attached to the seat, and replace it. And yeah, I actually didn't finish fixing all the details on that car, and it got sold unfortunately. But that means that I have more time to work on my blue E90, and that's what we will do in upcoming videos. Also, I have a lot of parts for E39. It will be finished pretty much soon, so look out for a video, for a big video on mods for E39 and some mods for E90 as well, because sneak peek, before selling the car I removed the LCI xenon headlights from the 330XI, and I'm planning on placing those onto my E90. Obviously aftermarket headlights are looking nice, but during the nighttime they're rubbish. I don't see the road, and that's the main purpose of lights, so I'll just install those LCI big xenons to my daily and use those. So you should see that in upcoming videos as well. For this time, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the build, as we didn't have it for a long time, but it was something. It was nice to test it out, see what it feels like, and yeah, see you guys in the next videos. Bye.